guys?
I'm back. If you're new here, my name is Monique, and what's up to all of my listeners of roses? Okay, as you guys can see by today's title, your girl is about to relaunch. I'm about to relaunch my lingerie business, and yes, you guys must know because it's time, baby. It is time to relaunch my business. So I'm just gonna start off with this video by kind of decorating the room that I will be taking some of my pictures, and I'm also going to show you guys some TikToks that I've done today that came out fire, baby. It's just the beginning, but I just thought I'll share it with my YouTube, and why not, because I need to make a YouTube video. So please do not leave without liking my ish and subscribing, and yeah, let's go ahead and get started. And really, y'all tell me how my lighting look, because I'm really trying out my new light. I'm gonna show it to you guys pretty soon. I'm really just trying out my light to see how it looks, and baby, I see me. I'm cute too. Yeah, so like I said, let's get started. All right, you guys, so this is the room that I'm going to be decorating. As you guys can see, nothing is on the wall, so plain Jane. And yeah, this is just miscellaneous stuff that we have. This house is a 3-bedroom, and you can make this room into its own room itself. So yeah, this is going to be my Body of a Goddess room and my YouTube room. So I'm gonna start off by showing you guys my light here. I'm gonna actually do a review on this company. That should be an upcoming video, but yeah, y'all see it. And then I got my smaller ring light there. So of course I had to move like all of this stuff out of here. I just hung that up, which I've done that before I even thought about doing a video. But these are the chairs that are supposed to be in our living room, but they're not there for other reasons. And so like I just had told my boyfriend, hey, I got to get my business back going. We might as well set this room up. Very cute, you know. I actually, okay, this is the ring light thing that I'm gonna do a video on if you're curious. But this is some of my lingerie here. So I have like maybe 3 tubs like this full of lingerie. I have plus size lingerie, and I have, you know, the small through large lingerie. So y'all gonna see it. You know, I need me a model. I need me a model that can model my plus size stuff. So I'm going to be looking for one, but for now I want to be the face of my brand no matter what the circumstances or whatnot, because I feel like I'm a very beautiful person. And a lot of people always ask me, Danielle, why aren't you modeling your own lingerie? And I'm like, because I didn't want to do it. For one, I was so skinny, but now I done got a little thicker, so now I'm feeling myself. But this is the room. Let me stop talking your head off and let's get started. If you like these sounds, please go ahead and subscribe to my Lady D non-copyrighted channel. The Gemini and me always doing something different, y'all, but go ahead and subscribe if you like the tunes. Also, your girl did her own hair. Those are crochets, and yeah, I didn't make a video, but I did my own hair.
She said she my out, but I don't know her. Had to look her up. I know that I'm rich, but I can help it, bitch. I'm good as fuck. I've been on these bitches next so long, sometimes I'm fucking stuck. I can put you in my business. You might wish we dead tomorrow. Bitches be on dick today, sing every word of tomorrow. Bitch, I still got cases open. Keep your mouth shut tomorrow.
And this is how the painting look, in case I didn't show you guys already. Even though y'all about to see, it's not gonna work. I don't know. I tried to use the command script so I didn't have to put a hole in the wall, but yeah, I might have to just put a hole in the wall because this is going up here pretty soon.
Okay. So you guys, that's not gonna work.
See, this is where I started to struggle for no long ass reason. It's easy to put the command script on, but actually peeling the thing off, it is so like, what the hell? Like, it feel like it took me about 2 minutes to do that for no reason.
day the sun won't shine, but that's why I love tomorrow. Can't say your name up in my songs, might not fuck with you tomorrow. Can get my feelings hurt today, I won't give a fuck tomorrow. They fuck up by no credit score, I might be rich as fuck tomorrow. Every day the sun won't shine, but that's why I love tomorrow.
Okay, so your girl got it up there kind of crazy. See, look, look, look. So I got this one up and this one up. They look like they're equal, and the TV here is gonna go dead in the middle of it once my boyfriend mounts it up there. And yeah, so I'm just gonna kind of sweep in here and mop, because everything else, I'm not gonna take all the rest of this stuff out of here today because of the simple fact I'm just not gonna do it today, okay? But yeah. Alright, you guys, please do not leave without liking my ish and subscribing. And in these next clips, y'all just gonna see some of the TikToks. They're not gonna be the actual TikToks that you know how YouTube be, but just how I did them. Like, what I do is listen to the music as I'm doing it on another phone. So yeah, y'all gonna get to see my TikToks first, because the TikTok hasn't even seen it, but YouTube's gonna see it. So yeah. Alright, before I show you guys the TikTok, this is just a room, you know, nothing too major. Just like this stuff here I can't move because it's not mine, but nothing major. I just kind of clean it up. I just wanted to be able to put that up there, but I didn't. But y'all guys, y'all see the drift. Y'all gonna be seeing a lot of this room, so yeah. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please do not leave without liking my ish and subscribing, and go ahead and head over to TikTok and go ahead and follow your girl, because she has more hot ish to come. That's just the beginning. I'll see you guys. Peace.